rain 50%. Sunday. National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Avery County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, east central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Marksville, Oregon, 6 miles southeast of Harmony, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marksville and Sheffield. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg